Hello friends, now let's learn how to remove an element from an array list. To do this, we use remove method. So I come here, I delete this. So after the dot notation, I say remove. So inside the parentheses, I give index number. So if I give 1, that's my index number. I put the index of item I want to delete. So I want to remove C# from the list. It's located at index 1. So that's why I write languages.remove1. So I save it. If I run my program, you see I deleted C#. So I have 2 elements in my list. And the remove method not only deletes the element, but also returns the value that was removed. So you can store that removed element in a variable if needed. For example, I can say string and then removed element and then equals to language.remove. I can print this. So I come here, I say system.out.println and then inside the parentheses I give removed element. So if I run it, what's my removed element? My removed element is C#. So I print the value that was deleted. Alright, I hope you understand it.